Hey everyone, Bill and Carrie with KB Tricks.
Hello.
Where are we at, hon? What are we doing?
We are currently at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds, one of our favorite places to come, but we are not here for the Minnesota State Fair. Sadly, that is a few months from now, but we are going to check out the ice castles.
Hey, we're in the parking lot on the north side of the State Fairgrounds. This is typically where they do the bus drop-off, I think, during the fairgrounds. And we're going to go in. They have a cabin here where we're going to check our tickets. We bought our tickets online.
Yes.
And they gave us a QR code or whatever.
Yes.
There's a QR code if you want to go online to buy your tickets. All right, so now that we got the QR code scanned and everything for our tickets, which just took a second, we had to like sign our life away, right?
Pretty much. Yeah, we had to sign our life away. We had to say that we're not going to try and destroy any of the features or anything. We're not, we're not going to jump on them or
It was
try
an agreement
and slide
that we had to do on like a pad.
Yes.
Kind of a thing, and acknowledge to the rules kind of a thing.
Yes.
And now this ice castle, the company that does it, they've done it, they move it around.
Yes.
So like last year it was in Maple Grove.
Last year was in Maple Grove,
and then
albeit very shortly in Maple Grove.
Yeah, it was warm last year. And then like 2 years before that, I think it was in New Brighton.
It's been in New Brighton.
In Eden Prairie,
it's been in
Stillwater.
It was in Excelsior 1 year.
Yeah, so this has moved around, but this year is at the State Fairgrounds.
Yes.
All right, we're going to head on in. Got some nice lights going on. Kind of twinkling and dancing on the ground, and then got some tips. Come check those out for a second. I recommend that you stay on the groomed paths. Do not run or climb on the ice. No pets, smoking, and watch your kids. Well, I have not entered the castle itself yet. But you can see I got all the lights going. So this is the outer wall. There are some porta potties around here too if you need to take a break before going inside. I doubt that there would be any porta potties inside the structure. This looks like the entrance, and off to the right they do have a place where you can get your photos taken by a professional photographer. And we're gonna just head on in, you think?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna walk in. First thing we're gonna see is one structure right away. We have to go around, and it's a pretty wide open inside here. We're gonna figure this all out as we go. Gonna start going left from the entrance. Gotta share in the magic. That's what this is labeled as. Ice sculpture. Looks like a dragon. I don't know how well it's coming up on camera. The way how this works is they actually have structures of like PVC pipes, I believe, and they have like a lot of spray that'll come out from water that's spraying, and like right now it's like 13 degrees, and so it's constantly growing. So we're here on opening weekend, and throughout the time, if the temperatures stay cold enough, the ice castle will grow during its time here and get taller. So you can see kind of those points sticking up. Those are basically structured to help the ice castle grow, for the ice to form off of as it collects water and freezes. We're just going to wander around a little bit. As I said, we're going clockwise around the structure. This looks like it could be a slide at some point. It's not quite ready yet, so they have these trees blocking it off so people don't climb up or slide down. Carrie and I have a little bit of disagreement. This looks like it could be a slide to me because it looks like it's a tube going at a 45-degree angle. She does not think so, but I don't know. If you come here after us, you let us know if this turned to a slide. How about that? Underneath there, little alcove. You just get photos everywhere. Down that way looks like the exit. We're going to avoid that for now. We're going to keep going around, and where that's all lit up there, that is an actual slide. You can see a line forming for that. But got a tunnel that's lit. I think we'll go through there. I'm going to go through this first tunnel that has lights in it. That's cool. Interesting how they make it. Oh, that's cool. It's like a lantern above that's twinkling. I like the colors in here. Oh, this is fun. A couple of ice blocks. I'm sure the light can shine through. There's a couple of different entrances you can go through. The one exit that we come through the tunnel, or the opposite side of the tunnel, it's a slide. We're gonna go check that out first. About halfway up the line for the slide. Really colorful. This part here is actually the slide. So we're going to go through a tunnel with this rainbow of lights. I've only been here for a few minutes, so we haven't covered a lot of ground, but basically straight across from us is the entrance we came in, and we went to what is now our right, our left as we came in, past the fire pit. Over there is where I thought that tunnel was, or that slide is, and then the entrance to the tunnel. And I said the tunnel, the other entrance exit is at the base here, where we took the ramp to come up. Just kind of panning around off to the left. We still have yet to explore that direction yet. It's all colorful and quite a bit of ice. So it's pretty wide open in here. Are we going to race down?
We'll race.
Okay.
You'll probably still beat me, but we're going to race.
I think you beat me last time, so.
We'll see.
There are the rules. Down you go. No lap riders. Feet first, legs forward. These are the same thing as feet first. And hands in lap. We're coming up, but they gave us like these little plastic slides we're going to sit on. There's 2 rows, and the slide is lit. Come on. Come on. Hey, cheater! Ah! Oh, cheater!
That was fun.
Yeah, you went before me.
Sorry.
I couldn't get going.
No, you couldn't.
No, just kind of kept getting stuck, but that was kind of cool and pretty going down that tunnel. Should keep going circle around here, or do you want to go see what this thing is?
Let's go see what this is.
Alright, straight across from where the bottom of the sled is, got like a little lit up tunnel thing. Freeze and say cheese, it says. The magical selfie castle. Okay, there's a couple of alcoves in here that light up. So they're not tunnels, just little alcoves you stand in.
Let's take a photo.
Okay, fine, I'll take a photo. We'll come back out from those little selfie alcoves. So that's that slide that we just came down. I'm going to continue going clockwise around fire pit. So that's nice. There's actually a couple of those. We'll see what's this next area. Well, this is what the ground kind of looks like. They have been grooming it, but you know, it kind of gets whatever as people walk around it. I have seen them use like machines to drive over this stuff and groom it during the day or whatever before they open up. But, oh, okay, there's another ice sculpture as we come into this area. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but that's a pretty big one. It's like 7 or 8 feet tall. We're just going through several tunnels and domes and structures. Awesome how they have the lights behind the ice and they change color. Ooh. I don't know how they cut out all these things, but they're all smooth inside. There we go, there's carry for scale. I feel like you can get lost in here, but at the same time you can't get lost in here. Oh, there's an ice throne.
Take my phone.
Carrie, yeah, okay. Carrie's gonna sit on her throne of ice. Nice that they put down a something so you don't freeze your booty. Very nice, hon. This is cool. Icicles hanging above. There's a fountain. An actual series of water fountains. So these are wishing fountains, and anything you throw in there, the proceeds go to Can Do Canines. So they're using it as a fundraiser. I'm gonna stand by one of these fire pits for a second. They actually have wood and propane accessories. What's nice about this pit here is they have like a countertop basically, and there's a place over here where you can get cheese curds and food and whatnot, so that you can stand at this and eat. That's over there, and then next to that is an ice bar where they're selling drinks. Let's go see what they have for a menu. Here they got hot chocolate and apple cider, hot coffee. They look like they're about $5 each, or you can spice them up for 10. Bailey's, Irish cream, Kahlua, etc. They got food here. So like a small cheese curd is 8, large cheese curd is 18, pronto pop. Next thing along that line is they have a brownie place and get some desserts. We'll go that way in a second, but kind of in between everything we kind of missed. They have some sort of bridge set up. It almost looks like a flowing river of lights coming through here with a footbridge that you can cross. This is really nice. Check that out. I like how they did this. I haven't seen this before. Let's go back over here. This is the kids corridor. So let's see what they have specifically designed for the kids. Point of reference, we're back over by that brownie truck. And it looks like they got a tunnel that kids could get through, but you know, adults would probably have to get on their hands and knees to crawl through. Then they got a short slide for the kids too, not quite the scale of the other one we went down earlier. All right, now we're back kind of out in the one area from where we walked in. And if we went to the right coming out of the entrance, they got ice sculpture. Seems to be the theme for a lot of these ice sculptures are dragons. Now, we didn't really show many of these yet, but in the middle throughout there's just kind of little ice sculptures around, and they're kind of interesting because they'll have their own lights and everything be unique. So the thing is, all these things just kind of change depending on weather, whatever. So this looks like an ice shelf, just kind of, or snow shelf, just kind of tilted over and they got frozen in place. Yeah, there's like one there, like a couple more over there. They're just kind of floating around, aren't they, hon?
Yeah.
And they're all unique.
They're all very different. They're all different lighting aspects, but they're beautiful.
Yeah. What do you think? You want to go down the slide again? You want to wander some more?
I can't feel my feet, so...
We didn't think about wearing boots for some reason.
Well, we came from someplace, but yeah, we weren't the smartest today. Full disclosure, we were not very smart.
Or any day, really.
Really, pretty much, right?
We did one more kind of look around just to see, taking some things without the camera being in front of us. Did you get enough photos and everything for yourself, hon?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah, it is beautiful though.
It is gorgeous. It's really nice to see at night when it's all lit up, but it would be kind of intriguing to come back during the day too.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna make our way out, and the exits were clearly marked. Sometimes the best exit could be behind you, so please be aware of your surroundings. Anyway, we're gonna make our way toward the posted exit. Anyway, we're gonna go check out this building they have set up kind of on the way out. So this is where you can get those photos if you took photos on your way in. We also have some souvenirs. Got some plushies, like a polar bear and like a Yeti, also known as the Abominable Snowman. Hats. I like the penguin plushies. All the plushies are $25. So that's like the penguins and the polar bears. Looks like they got some mooses, mises, and the Yetis. And we're gonna make our way out of the
ice castles here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds.
And what do we think, hon?
Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, just like everything being lit up, just the ice itself. It's just a lot of fun. It's a great place to take the family. They have the little kid area, the ice slide, so much fun. Probably should have done that again, but oh well.
Kind of nice thing about this is it's different every year because it's weather dependent, and also again, like depending on when you come. Like we're here opening weekend, but if we came in like another couple weeks, if the weather participated, then the castles might be bigger because more ice and water, you know, accumulates over time, right?
Yep.
So kind of a cool little thing that changes, and then it changes year to year because again, why not? Anyway, but it was interesting. Please do us a favor and subscribe. About 90% of our viewers are not subscribers, so help the channel grow. Help us reach our next goal of 2,000 subscribers. But what is the details on this one?
So as always, best to check online. They have peak and non-peak hours. There's adult, children fees. For us on this particular evening, we were here on a peak night. So for us, after taxes and fees, it was $56 for the two of us to come in here today.
Okay, so roughly $25 per person.
Yes.
To come during peak.
Yes.
Whatever. Also, you can come here during the day, right on the weekends.
Yeah.
So But we like coming here at night because it's all lit up and
It's
everything.
all lit up, and
So-
yeah, it's just pretty.
Well, anyway, we want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You've been watching KB Treks. Please do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.